Hello, it is Slimy Ninja with my first actual video. So this is going to be fun, and today we are going to be taking on 20 King Slimes with just a wooden armor and a mining helmet, looking at its loots and just seeing what it drops, because that's what we're going to do. As you can see, I've awoken one already, and there he is, this big dungeon guardian looking thing over there. Based on the map, that's what he shows like. But pretty much that's what this video is going to be about, and I'll see you in the next clip. Going on to our second one, let's see what he has in store for us. In 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my gosh, is that Slimy Saddle? Second try set line, and boom. Nothing flew on this. Guys, a fallen star just fell on King Slime while I was going in for the last hit. Literally. I mean, that's so awesome. And it was halfway through, so just ice bolts for everyone. Ice bolt for you, ice bolt for you. I'm just getting into the sky, I guess. But you can have one zombie. Actually, no, have a blade of grass. That sounds better. Hello, everybody. We are finishing the final one. But there is one thing I do have to say. I defeated 21, but somehow the clip wasn't recorded. And I only got 17 done. So, 17 is a big enough number for all I care for, because I just wasted a long time. Actually, no, I didn't waste any of my time. I did for you guys, and that's not a waste of time. But I am just very, very happy with the results of these things that I've got. Right now, I kind of just organizing everything, but I mean, I'm just organizing everything. But honestly, guys, it is, let me go check because it is too late. That's all I'm gonna say. Actually, no, I'm gonna say something more. It is 11:12 p.m. I'm exhausted. I've been making this video for over 3 hours, editing, doing the clips, defeating the bosses, because I didn't just spawn 20 and use hacks to make them all die at the same time, because this is iOS. It's the iOS series. I mean, it does work for Android, but I'm just going to do iOS because I'm recording on an iOS. I might just make it iOS slash Android series. But let me guys know if you want the Eye of Cthulhu next. 10 or 20, maybe 30 Eye of Cthulhus? Tell me in the comment section below. Sorry, I couldn't speak for a second. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video.